Hi, it's me and my little old book again. Yeah, today I am reading at the airport. Last Sunday was a sad day for Stanley. His father was going to fly to America to work. In the morning, he helped his father to pack his clothes and get ready. His father said, "Do not forget that you are the man in the home when I leave. Please take care of your mother. Help her around the place as much as you can." Stanley said, "Yes, Papa, but I am going to miss you. I wish I was going to fly to America with you." His father said, "I am not staying over there long, and you have to stay and look after your mother." Just then, his mother came into the room and said, "It is time to get ready. I would not like you to miss the plane. Make sure not to leave your passport and ticket on the bed. Do not forget them." They put on their clothes and went to the airport for his father to catch the plane. They had plenty of time. At the airport, his father left them and went to give in his bags and his ticket. Stanley left his mother and went to look around the place. After a little, his father came running up and said, "Do you have my ticket? It must be in the same place on the bed. The passport is here, but not the ticket." Stanley's mother looked in her bag and said, "Do we have time to go back for it?" "I told you and Stanley not to forget it." She ran up to Stanley and said, "Come quickly, Stanley. Your father forgot his ticket, and we have to go home for it. I am sure the plane is going to fly off and leave him." Stanley laughed and said, "But I have the ticket." His mother said, "You must be mad." Stanley took the ticket out of his pocket and said, "No, I saw it on the bed when we were leaving and took it up. I forgot that I had it." He went and gave it to his father. After this, it was time for his father to leave. He kissed Stanley and his mother and left to get on the plane. Stanley and his mother went to look at the plane. Stanley saw his father go in. Then they shut the door. After that, the plane took off and climbed up into the sky. His mother said, "I am going to miss your father." Stanley said, "Me too, but I am going to give you plenty of help, and he told me he is not staying long." They looked at the big plane flying up into the blue sky. Then his mother said, "Are you ready to go? Come, Stanley. I would not like the bus to fly away and leave us like the plane." Stanley laughed, and they left to go and catch their bus. The end. Now, there's a poem at the end of this story as well. It's called "There Was an Old Woman." There was an old woman tossed up in a basket, 90 times as high as the moon. Where she was going, I had to ask it, for in her hand she carried a broom. "Old woman, old woman, old woman," said I, "where are you going to, up so high?" "To brush the cobwebs off the sky." So that was just cute. Anyway, thank you so much for listening today. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Take care.